To define a free-form area of bone you wish to move, you'll need the Reposition Tool. Open the menu at the top right, then choose Tools and select Reposition Tool. Position your starting point and click Start Drawing. Now, lasso the anatomical area of interest. You don't have to join the ends, VPOP will automatically connect them with a straight line. This feature can also be used to mimic a linear osteotomy in the plane of the image. Click Done when ready. To pan, rotate, and reposition the fragment, move and manipulate it as usual. VPOP will record any rotation you make. And that's it. You're now ready to use the Reposition tool in VPOP. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more how-to and deep dive planning videos. For further information or to contact support, visit VPOPPro.com.